How does LG TV warranty work? LG offers a limited manufacturer's warranty for its TVs, covering defects in materials and workmanship for a specified period. The warranty typically includes free repairs or replacements for faulty parts, but it does not cover accidental damage or misuse. First, standard warranty coverage. LG TVs usually come with a 1-year limited warranty for parts and labor. The warranty applies only to manufacturing defects and hardware failures that occur under normal use. OLED, QNED, and nanocell models may have extended warranty options depending on the region. Proof of purchase, receipt or invoice is required for warranty claims. 2. What the warranty does not cover. Physical damage, cracks, or water damage caused by accidents or improper handling. Burn-in issues on OLED TVs as they are considered a result of improper usage. Damage from power surges or unauthorized repairs by third parties. Software issues or app malfunctions, unless related to a factory defect. 3. How to claim LG warranty service. If your LG TV develops a defect under warranty, check the warranty period in your TV's user manual or LG's official website. Contact LG customer support via phone, email, or online chat. Provide details about the issue, serial number, and proof of purchase. LG may send a technician for in-home repairs for larger TVs or request the TV be taken to an authorized service center. 4th, extended warranty and protection plans. Some retailers and LG offer extended warranty plans for additional coverage. LG Premium Care plans may cover accidental damage, burn-in issues, and extended repair services. Third-party warranty providers such as Best Buy Geek Squad or Square Trade also offer protection plans beyond the standard warranty. LG's TV warranty covers manufacturing defects for a limited period, providing free repairs or replacements when eligible. To ensure coverage, register the TV, keep proof of purchase, and follow proper usage guidelines. For extra protection, extended warranty options are available for added peace of mind.